Over the years, they've come out with pipe rehabilitation, which is what we specialize in. We have the 4-inch cast iron pipe coming from the house. It'll transition to the 6-inch pipe. What we do now is we're actually able to take a felt type of material, saturate it with an epoxy resin, and we're actually able to invert it and blow it right through from the house without doing any digging. When this resin, this felt product that's soaked in the resin, when it begins to inflate, which is what we do with air pressure, it will inflate and it will actually form to the pipe, the hose pipe that it's going in. It will then create one full length from the house straight to the city sewer. It will cover every crack, any void in the pipe. It will cover any joints, anywhere where the roots could come in will be completely sealed off. As you can see with this pipe that's already been lined, you can see how it transitions from the 4-inch and then it comes out to the 6. One complete seal. What that material looks like afterwards when it has been hardened is similar to this. It's an epoxy hardened resin, makes a complete solid pipe. There'll be no joints in it. It virtually eliminates any chance of roots or anything growing back in the pipe.